Hello everyone. So I'm actually pulling out the stick and the plant has already died. The potato plant that I replanted last time, it has already died. So I'm just pulling this thing to use with another plant and then it came out. Actually I did not plan to shoot this video, but this is how many potatoes that I got from the last time. Just one big potato and 4 others, and this is the smallest. This is my entire harvest. 6 potatoes and 4 potatoes now. Yep, total I would say 11. And I'll see if I can find any potatoes now, but yeah, this is it. Thank you, bye bye.
A few moments later.
I started digging and I found 4 more potatoes and 1 smaller potato. This is so cool. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and make a delicious recipe. I'll tell you the 3 mistakes that I should not have done, or 3 things that I have learned by planting the potatoes this year.